Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan podcast, where we empower Texas families through knowledge and compassion. Can you receive alimony in Texas? And how do courts decide who qualifies? Many people walk into a divorce expecting guaranteed financial support, basing those expectations on out-of-state laws or television tropes where alimony is a given. In reality, Texas has some of the most restrictive spousal support laws in the country. Traditional alimony is not actually a recognized legal right here. Because the system is so highly restricted, surviving a divorce financially in Texas requires you to abandon these cultural assumptions and master the state's specific, narrow legal pathways. The first track is court-ordered spousal maintenance. To even qualify for consideration, you must meet the absolute baseline requirement, proving that you lack sufficient property to provide for your minimum reasonable needs. If you pass that baseline, the court then looks for one of 4 specific legal triggers. These include a marriage lasting 10 years or more, a physical or mental disability, documented family violence, or the ongoing care of a disabled child of the marriage. Even when eligibility is established, Texas imposes rigid statutory caps on the payment amount. Courts cannot award more than $5,000 a month or $20,000. The primary power of contractual alimony lies in its status as a private agreement. It allows spouses to override the state's strict statutory caps on both payment amounts and duration limits. For those with complex financial portfolios, including business ownership, executive compensation, and significant retirement assets, this flexible track is almost always necessary to navigate a fair division of wealth. If you're searching for alimony and spousal support attorneys in Fort Worth, Texas, and want to understand your financial rights during divorce, visit bryanfagan.com or schedule a confidential consultation with our team. Securing a customized financial future in a Texas divorce requires shifting away from the judge's rigid calculator and focusing on strategic private negotiation. A major pitfall in this process is failing to accurately document and prove minimum reasonable needs before stepping into a negotiation or a courtroom. Another danger is blindly accepting an initial settlement agreement without evaluating its long-term tax implications or whether it allows for future modifications. A specialized attorney mitigates these risks by compiling bulletproof financial evidence and navigating Tarrant County court procedures to ensure your eligibility is properly presented. Make sure to subscribe and share this episode. Visit our website and call 281-810-9760 to protect your financial future. Thank you for listening to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan podcast, where families find freedom and peace of mind through education and expert legal care. For more information or to schedule your free consultation, visit our website or call us today. Securing post-divorce financial stability in Texas requires the execution of a precise, evidence-based legal strategy.